Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour from West Bengal. Now, the West Bengal LOP has slammed Mamata government over Sanatan Dharma. Important information coming in as the West Bengal LOP Subhendu Adhikari has said that Sanatan Dharma under threat in Bengal. Important information coming in as the LOP has compared Mamata Banerjee's government to Jinnah's government. Important information coming in as the LOP has in fact slammed the TMC-led West Bengal government on the same. He's compared the Mamata Banerjee-led government to that of Mohammad Ali Jinnah and has said that the attitude of the Mamata Banerjee government towards Sanatan Dharma is very bad. Listen in to what he had to say.
सनातन जो हमारा रिलीजियस परफॉर्मेंस कार्यक्रम वो हम लोग पार्टिसिपेट करता है। ये लोग बंगाल में जो भ्रष्टाचारी सरकार है, ये सरकार के पूरा के इसका जो एटीट्यूड है, खास करके इसका पुलिस और सब मिलके जिस तरीके से माहौल बनाया है, आप देख लेना पूरा पश्चिम बंगाल में मुस्लिम लीग 2 सरकार जैसे काम किया। स्वतंत्रता का पहले मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना, मोहम्मद सोहराबुर्दी ठीक एक सेम तरीके से चल रहा है।
Well, on this, my colleague Shayasi is joining us on the telecast. So, Shayasi, strong comments coming in from the LOP. Walk us through the context in which these comments have been made.
Well, of course, this is a political narrative that the BJP has armed itself against the Mamata Banerjee government since 2021, where they have called Mamata Banerjee anti-Hindu on several occasions. This latest attack comes in at a time when there was an Kali Ma goddess that was desecrated in Kagdeep, which had led to a lot of commotion and controversy in the South 24 Parganas. And Subhendu Adhikari is speaking in that context because the video of the police putting up the desecrated idol inside a police van had gone viral on social media and drew flack and criticism from across the social media platform and political opposition parties, of course, here in West Bengal. But so far as that incident is concerned, the police has arrested one person named Narayan Haldar, who's 28 years old and belongs to the local village there. And this had taken place after he was in an inebriated condition and he had, vandalized that idol in Kagdeep. But of course, the BJP is using this incident to further create some pressure on the Mamata Banerjee government at a time when, of course, all the parties here in West Bengal are gearing up for the elections early next year. And this is the way of telling people that the kind of BJP support that they need is to protect the Hindus here in West Bengal. But of course, we'll have to wait and see how the TMC reacts to this particular statement made by the LOP.